Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to pair your earbuds Lenovo ThinkPlus XT92 with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that we need to enter prank mode. To do this, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. If your earbuds don't connected with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. If your earbuds already connected with another device, you need to disconnect them or unpair them from the phone and then they will enter to prank mode. Now you need to tap on them at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!